How can we rejuvenate the jawline, face and neck with a face and neck lift procedure? Thank you so much to my patient for graciously allowing us to share his images right here. And I want to point your attention to the top image. Look at the jowling, that drooping of skin and soft tissue here, the nasolabial fold and the marionette line, and just the effacement of the jawline all the way to the back. And look at the change in the bottom image, how now that's a youthful masculine jawline that has softer skin, that has proportions and harmony, that give an aesthetic look that is true to the patient and natural. And very importantly, we're not seeing any pulling, any joker lines, or any unnatural look, or any telltale signs of any procedure at all. I always approach a masculine versus a feminine face and neck lift differently so that I provide that youthful, rested, healthy appearance. Here in the second set of images, very importantly, we want the result not only to look great at rest, but also with motion. So when the patient drops their neck down, for example, when we're looking at our phones, we're on our laptops, we're having dinner, you can see how that jowling becomes even more pronounced in the top image, and look at the bottom image, how that's completely gone even with motion. And that's very exciting. I'm very excited for our patient and excited to be sharing with you.